The Great Gatsby. Chapter 8, Pop Quiz. What wrong did Gatsby do to Daisy when they first met? He let her think he was wealthy? He told her he was engaged? Or he lied about loving her? Why doesn't Nick want to go to work? He hates his job? He has a date with Jordan? Or he is worried about Gatsby? Whose eyes does Wilson mistake for those on the billboard? His own? Gatsby's? Or God's? Who does Wilson believe was driving the car that hit Myrtle? Gatsby? Someone hired by Gatsby? Or Daisy? Where does Gatsby die? In his swimming pool? On Daisy's front lawn? Or next to the green light? What advice does Nick give Gatsby? He should go away for a week? He should turn Daisy in? Or he should confront Tom? What is Gatsby internally struggling with? That he is a suspect in Myrtle's death? That Daisy is a murderer? Or that Daisy might have loved Tom? What did Gatsby do after he returned from the war? He graduated from Oxford. He went back for Daisy. Or he started a business. What is the name of Wilson's neighbor who tries to comfort him? Michaelis, Haverman, or George? What does Wilson believe about the driver of the car? The driver was the man having the affair with Myrtle? The driver intentionally hit Myrtle? Or the driver was someone he knew? What season is just beginning in Chapter 8? Autumn, summer, or winter? Why did Gatsby finally leave after sitting outside of Daisy's the night of Myrtle's death? Daisy asked him to leave? Daisy turned off the light? Or Tom glared at him from the window? What does Gatsby hope for as Nick is leaving? That Nick will come back after work? That Tom will let Daisy leave? Or that Daisy will call him? Why is Jordan mad at Nick? He insulted her driving on the way home? He wasn't nice to her the night before? Or he called her a golf cheat? What did Myrtle leave behind in the drawer? A dog leash, her wedding ring, or a letter from Tom? How many did you get right? Check your grade.